Hi guys, it's Colette, and today for Water Marble March we're going to be working on this neon fire design. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'll be using today are from the Color Club Poptastic Neons collection. First off, we have Poptastic. Then the slightly darker pink is Warhol. The orange is One Love. Then we have Yellin' Yellow. The green is Wee Lyman. The blue is Chelsea Girl. And then the purple is Mrs. Robinson. For my base color, I'll be using Holo Taco Not Milky White, and then once that's applied, I'll be protecting around my nails using protective peel as well as tape. As usual, for a water marble, I'm working in a 5-ounce paper cup filled with room temperature filtered water. Once the bullseye is built, I'm going to go ahead and pull it out to one side and then the other. And then I'm going to be drawing in basically petals, but to give them a little bit more interest, kind of more of a flame-like pattern, I'm going to be alternating where I'm starting my pull. So some I'll be starting from more exterior rings, and some I'll start from more towards the center. And that will just make the petals a little bit more uneven and a little bit more interesting. Once I'm done, I'm going to stretch the design just a little bit by kind of dipping the orange stick on this side, and it will pull the polish out just slightly. Then I'm going to line up my nails and dip, and I'm going to be aiming for like the center section, kind of in between the purples. So let's go ahead, line up, and oh, this is always the moment of truth. Dip. Then with my orange stick, I'm going to reach in and clean out any excess so that that doesn't stick on top of the design. And once the surface is clear, I'll slowly pull my nails out, remove the protection, and move on to the rest of my nails. I did my cleanup and made sure that any bubbles were pressed flat. Now I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I really like how this turned out, even though it's not quite as flamey as I wanted. I did quite a bit of testing, as I usually do, and for some reason I just got a lot more flame vibes from the test than it actually turned out on most of my nails. But it is still a bright, gorgeous neon rainbow, and I'm not mad about it. I just am not 100% happy. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that will be up here on YouTube shortly. And if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP. I'd love to hear what you guys think down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.